Get ready. 5 seconds. Start. The Punjab and Haryana High Court on Wednesday set a 3-month deadline for the state to consider petitioner candidates for promotion to the post of TGT Punjabi Teachers Stop. The direction by Justice Jai Shri Thakur came on a bunch of petitions by Tirlok Chand and other petitioners against the state of Haryana and other respondents stop. They were seeking directions for quashing the order dated May 24, 2018, whereby their case for promotion was rejected on the ground that they did not possess the necessary qualification of B.Ed. Stop para. Their counsel contended that the petitioners had necessary qualification of matriculation with Hindi and 2 years diploma in elementary education stop. They did their BA with Punjabi as an elective subject with 50% marks besides Gyani and MA Punjabi stop. They were as such eligible for appointment to the post of JBT teacher and further entitled to the post of TGT Punjabi stop. But their case was rejected primarily on the ground that they did not have the qualification of B.Ed that was against Haryana School Education Group C State Cadre Service Rules 2012 stop para. It was further contended that the issue was settled by the court in the case of Mahesh Kumar versus State of Haryana and others, and connected matters decided on April 23, 2019 stop para. Justice Thakur asserted the court in Mahesh Kumar's case was seized of the matter as the petitioners seeking promotion as TGT science teacher were not considered on the ground that they did not have 50% marks in BSc stop. The High Court allowed the writ petition with the direction to promote the petitioners as TGT science teachers stop. It was further held that the NCTE guidelines were binding on the state stop. Justice Thakur took note of the contention that the state had given a very fair offer of deciding the petitioner's case in terms of judgment in Mahesh Kumar's case, and the petitioners had no objection stop. Disposing of the petition, Justice Thakur directed their case be considered in terms of the judgment in Mahesh Kumar's case and other connected matters within 3 months stop para. In an attempt to ensure proper disposal of bail matters, the Punjab and Haryana High Court has made it clear that successive applications filed by an accused will be listed before the bench which initially decided the plea stop para. The decision will be applicable to both regular and anticipatory bail applications and pleas seeking cancellation of the bail stop. The High Court asserted the successive bail applications under Section 438 and 439 of the Code of Criminal Procedure (CRPC) of the same accused the application for the cancellation of bail under section 439 bracket 2 of the Code of Criminal Procedure will be listed before the same bench which decided the earlier bail application stop para. The High Court has also made it clear that the only exception will be in cases where the judges have been transferred or have superannuity stop. The High Court added that the pleas would be heard by the same bench irrespective of the subject matter specifically assigned to the bench oblique judge in the roster stop para. The direction is expected to go a long way in ensuring justice to both the compliant and the accused, as a judge who has initially decided the bail plea is in a better position to gauge the change in circumstances warranting the grant or denial of relief at a subsequent stage stop. Thank you.